السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا ومرحبا بكم في الجناح الخاص لشركة كرونس في معرض Gulfood دبي. Good morning and a welcome at Krones stand in Gulfood Manufacturing in Dubai. This year is special. Gulfood Manufacturing is celebrating its 10th anniversary and we are always proud being part of this exhibition. This year we are showcasing our extensive range of innovative solutions designed to meet and exceed our customers' expectations. We are also excited to highlight the recent integration of Netztal, which will add a great value to our Krones portfolio, enabling us to provide more integrated solutions to our customers. Looking forward to connecting with our customers, sharing our insights that can drive us forward. Thank you.